Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to this week's video. It is just a 10-minute cleaning video because sometimes 10 minutes is all you have, 10 minutes is all you can do, which was pretty much in my case. I had to clean up some of the dishes because I needed some space, because I needed to film some grocery hauls, and then I needed to get some dinner and stuff organized. So we are listening to a book called The House of Kwa, which I finished at this point in time. Actually featured this in my vlog, but I thought that I would put the cleaning video up separately because I do have a couple of people that say they like the individual cleaning videos. And like I said, it's only 10 minutes, but hey, who knows what you can get done in 10 minutes. So I hope that it motivates you to get up and do something, or sit and chill and watch me, or put this video on double speed play and then you'll have 5 minutes to clean, which could even be more of a motivation to be able to jump up and get something done. So let's get going and I'll check back in a bit. Let me know what is the most annoying thing that you need to wash. I think for me, it's anything that's plastic with like a lid or something, because sometimes a little bit of water gets stuck in sections, and also sometimes having to scrub pans is super annoying. But I'd love to hear from you what you find super annoying having to wash. I would love to know if you have a plastics corner cupboard and if it's organized and how it is organized, because this is something I seriously am looking at getting organized in the future, because it drives me insane. Every time I open the door, usually something falls out, and that means also then I have to wash things because I don't know what's been where and it's all over the joint, and other people don't put stuff away, so I'm forever having to move things around. I also would love to know, where do your chopping boards go? Do they go in a cupboard underneath the stove? Do they go in a drawer near your knives or plates and stuff like that? Because they seem to move around depending on who puts the dishes away in the household. I don't care where they go, just everyone, can we pick a spot and agree that that's what's going to happen? I'm always so happy when I manage to get some of my bench tidy because, yeah, like I said, then I've got some room to film some grocery hauls, which I literally had just come in shopping with. So it was important that I filmed that. Otherwise, I'm trying to run around and chase my tail and get things done, and I'm always running out of time around here. So at least I have the time, the energy, and the motivation today to be able to do it. So hopefully, as I've said, if you've only had 10 minutes to do something, then it helped you to jump up and get something done. And if not, you've enjoyed watching someone else do some cleaning for 10 minutes. Or if you're like me and you're scrolling YouTube and you think, oh, I just want to sit and watch something really quick for like 10 minutes or something, especially if it's a mindless activity. Well, I hope that I've entertained you by cleaning my house. So please give me a thumbs up if you're glad it wasn't you cleaning the video. I seem to get a lot more thumbs up when I say that in my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you're glad it was me and not you cleaning. I still have a long way to go with cleaning parts of the kitchen. I am trying to work on a plan and a routine, but I struggle. And also that's why I'm sharing, because this is life for me, and I'm sure because I get your inboxes that other people are the same. So I hope that this has helped with just a little bit of motivation. And like I said, it's just 10 minutes. So hopefully you were able to get up and do something or decompress for 10 minutes. Yeah, it's all good. Thank you so much for joining with me today. I so appreciate all of you, and for those of you who asked for the cleaning video, I hope this was okay, and thank you so much for being here today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.